Welcome back to another video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, and today we're checking out this badass 1978 Camaro. And as you can tell from the sound, this ain't your stock 78 Camaro. Built 350 underneath the hood, which we're gonna check out in a second. Aluminum heads, just a monster. Also backed up by a 4-speed manual transmission. Got it, Brady? There you go.
Gotta really reach under there for that one.
Yeah, I love the fiberglass cowl hood. That's awesome. Beautiful engine compartment. Firewall was painted nicely. Edelbrock aluminum heads. High-rise intake, Demon carburetor. Headers. Does have power steering and power brakes. And what a great sound. I mean,
yeah, it sounds great.
It just sounds like fun.
Big
sitting
cam
here idling. Yeah, it does got a nice cam. Nice big radiator. Neat.
That carburetor's not something you see every day either.
No, those Demon carburetors are nice. You don't see them too much. Just mainly on high horsepower vehicles like this one. And not a perfect car, just a sweet, badass, great looking hot rod. Jump in, squeal tires, have fun. Love the color, and the paint was done nice, but it was done some years ago, so there's a few little chips that we'll point out. But overall, great looking car, something you can take to your local car show, be proud of. But most importantly, take down the road and have some fun with. Hood lines up good, even for a fiberglass hood.
But you can't see it does have some wear at the bottom there.
And that's super typical on these plastic Enduro front bumpers. It does have a few little cracks there in the paint. But the paint's got a beautiful shine, a small chip back here. And then another little chip here on the bumper. I like the choice of wheels too. Kind of weld, they're a Cragar, but they look like kind of those weld wheels. BFG raised white letter tires. Beautiful blue. Door lines up good. Does have a little rock chip here. There's that buck console with a 4-speed shifter. A little chip here. A couple chips down here on this plastic piece that guards the rear tire. Up over the roof looks really good. The interior is beautiful on it. Dash looks nice. And these cars are so much fun with a 4-speed. It seems like the majority of them that we see are automatics. So whenever we get one of the 4-speed, it makes it extra fun to drive because these cars handle really well too, these late 2nd-gen Camaros. Here's your corner of the door. Bottom side of the door. Headliner's really nice and tight too. Got kind of a nice, like almost felt headliner. Couple little paint cracks here, and this is really common on these 2nd-gen Camaros. Seems like it's kind of the stress point on these cars. But straight up and down the sides. Back tires have good tread on them, and I love the dual exhaust. Great sound, and I like where the tips come out too. Just looks cocky. Trunk lid and spoiler line up great. Rear bumper and tail lights are in good shape. Chad's got some doctor appointments today, so he's not going to be driving this one, unfortunately, but I'll still try to get on it. Not as good as Chad does when he does these videos, but we still wanted to get it on so you guys could see it. We didn't want to wait for Wednesday for Dad to get back and drive it, so we'll do my best to get the tires squealing on this thing. Again, a couple little rock chips, nothing really major. Probably the worst spot is there's some chips down here on the bottom side of the door. And an imperfection right up there. Door panels on both sides are in good shape, so are the seats. Corner of the door on this side. Like I said, seats awesome, very minimal wear. Back seat's nice as well. You got a couple 6x9s back there.
Yeah, those will be Sony speakers, and they're hooked up to a Bluetooth radio up front. So that's
Did you already
always
get your
nice
phone
to
hooked
have.
up there?
Yep.
Nice. All right, let's drive her, Braids.
Let's get her done.
So not a perfect car, but just a badass fun to drive hot rod. That's got a really good look. We put a couple reels on Facebook of this car, and I've had a lot of calls on it already just from a quick clip.
So act fast if you like her.
Yeah, well said. That sound is awesome.
It is.
It's just really responsive. It's got a factory tack here, and that works. The horn does not work. It does click though, so it seems like the relay and everything's intact. Probably just a horn.
What are we gonna have this one priced at?
As Brady mentioned, good radio. I think it's gonna be right at 30,995.
Yep, that's a good range.
We just sold our blue automatic one today for right around the same money.
Yeah, that one sold very quickly at 29, I believe, or something.
Yep. Looks like the gas gauge works. Tack, of course, works. We'll check our temp here in a little bit. Heater fan still works too.
Yeah, that's nice. That's got a great sound to it.
I like it.
Oh yeah.
See, I can drive these too.
You
I got a little wicked. That was fun, man. Just hit it in second and just going sideways. That's what this thing's all about.
American muscle at its finest.
It's got a nice idle too.
Yeah.
Even with that big motor, idling right now at about 500-600 RPM. This is a fun car.
Yeah, it shifts smooth.
Yeah. We think it's got right around 373 rear end gears in the back, so just a nice performance gear. Going down, the speedometer's not working right now. But if I had to guess, we're doing probably 55, 60 miles an hour, right at about 3,000 RPM. Good pull. The suspension and all that feel good too.
Yep.
And if a guy just wants to cruise it, you can do that. Front end's nice and tight. You can jigger back and forth. Front end's nice and tight. We'll check our brakes again here. Brakes stop great. Nice full pedal. This thing's a lot of fun. I'm trying to think what else really there is with it. We'll test the wipers. Seem like they move, but with that big hood scoop there, a lot of times it kind of blocks the wipers, but feels driver nice now. So if you just want to putz around with it, you can do that too, but it's a lot more fun to.
Yeah.
That's why you buy a car like this, is to get on and have fun, race your friends with it, turn a lot of heads. It's a damn cool car. Check it out on the website, coyoteplastics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching the video on YouTube. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.